We have conducted a backtest on this 1-minute gold scalping strategy, and here is the backtest we've done. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, we've backtested a 1-minute gold or xauusd scalping strategy using only 2 free buy-sell indicators from Tradingview. Besides being used for gold or xauusd scalping, you can also apply this 1-minute scalping strategy to trading forex, crypto, stocks, and various other assets. We won't make this video too long, so make sure you stay with us until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. We will provide the details of the backtest results we've conducted on this scalping strategy, but before that, let's discuss how to use this scalping strategy first. To use this scalping strategy, you can start by logging into Tradingview. In this example, we'll apply this 1-minute scalping strategy to trading gold. First, set the pair to gold or xauusd. Then, set the time frame to 1 minute. Next, add the indicators you'll be using. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in SSL Hybrid. Then, select SSL Hybrid by Mikkel. Now, configure the SSL Hybrid indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the ATR multi-value to 3. Next, set SSL1 baseline type to DEMA. Then, adjust the SSL1 baseline length to 200. After that, you can go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some of the markers we don't need. Uncheck candle size, exit arrows. SSL1, bar color, baseline upper channel, baseline lower channel, and SSL2. Then, set the color and thickness of the ATR line according to your preference. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The SSL Hybrid indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the SSL Hybrid line is navy, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, you should only focus on placing buy orders. On the other hand, if the SSL Hybrid line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, you should only focus on placing sell orders. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as an entry guide in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in MACD ADX. Then, select the MACD ADX indicator from this creator. Now, configure the MACD ADX indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the fast length value to 8. Next, change the slow length value to 21. Finally, set the signal smoothing value to 6. In the Style tab, adjust the thickness of the buy and sell signals according to your preference. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The MACD ADX indicator will be used as a guide to place entries in the market. You just need to follow the signals that appear from this indicator. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this 1-minute gold scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the SSL Hybrid indicator line is navy, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, you should only focus on placing buy orders. Wait for a buy signal to appear from the MACD ADX indicator. As a confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the lower ATR line. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the SSL Hybrid indicator line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, you should only focus on placing sell orders. Wait for a sell signal to appear from the MACD ADX indicator. As a confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the upper ATR line. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Here are the results from the backtest we've conducted. From the 50 backtests we performed, this scalping strategy achieved a total of 29 wins. Meanwhile, the total losses amounted to 21. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.